Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have this Nojo electric shovel, or you can say to clean the snow. So how to use it actually, I'm going to define in some steps. First, you should have an extension cord plug in. If it's a corded one. If it's not a corded battery, then don't worry about it, just put the battery, but make sure your battery is charged properly because it's gonna be the winter season. Next is the grip. The grip is very important. So one hand you have to hold here, okay, and second hand you have to hold here, okay, and with this you're going to slightly press under the snow and it's going to blow it. Okay, now when you do this, keep focus on the wind direction where it's falling. If you do it opposite, exact opposite to that, then wind is going, then all the snow is going to fall on your face. That is not something you would like to, right? So instead, if wind is falling in the direction you are cleaning, it's the perfect situation for you, because that wind is going to help you clean the snow. But if that's not the case and it's exactly opposite to you, then make like I would say in some angle. For example, right now the wind is going like this. So if I do it like this, all is going to fall on me. So what I'll do it in triangle way, okay, so that it does not fall on right on my face. So you see this small button, this you need to press and then hold this. So you see in which direction it is going. So that is how you are supposed to use it. Depending upon the area, you should have sufficient length of your wire if it's a corded one. If a battery, don't worry about it. So that's how you can use it properly, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.